Almost 2,000 cases of coronavirus are being reported daily in Mumbai, more than the new strain, and negligence for social distancing guidelines may be to blame. 90% of cases are from high-rise residential buildings.
Social distancing norms flagrantly violated in Dadar market as Mumbai reports almost 2,000 cases daily. 220 buildings like Mhatre Palace have been sealed. 90% of coronavirus cases have been reported from high-rise buildings. Once again, notices like these are being pasted in societies asking that residents follow COVID guidelines. Experts say negligence and non-compliance with COVID guidelines are leading to more serious cases than the new strain.
95% of the cases are from the non-slum area, building high-rise area. On an average, we are contributing about 25 to 30 cases daily. That is showing the peak of last year's July month.
बहुत सारे लोगों ने अभी सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग, मास्किंग एंड बेसिक सैनिटाइजेशन मेजर्स कम्प्लीटली छोड़ दिया है. तो ये वायरस की इन्फेक्टिविटी के कारण सिर्फ नहीं ये सेकंड पीक आया, ये सेकंड पीक अपने केयरलेसनेस के वजह से भी है.
वैक्सीनेशंस जो पहले कॉल्स थे अराउंड 200 to 300 कॉल्स होते थे जैन में, बट अब कोविड केसेस इंक्रीज होने की वजह से और वैक्सीनेशन स्टार्ट होने की वजह से अब आज के टाइम में 700 to 1000 कॉल्स डेली के आ रहे हैं.
On Sunday, 1,962 new COVID cases and 7 deaths were reported in Mumbai. In just 3 weeks, the number of cases reported daily has doubled. In all of Maharashtra, over 16,000 new cases have emerged, which is the highest since the 30th of September. Districts like Aurangabad, Parbhani, Osmanabad, Pune, Nanded, Thane, Jalgaon, Nagpur, Latur, Dhule, Wardha and Nashik have been put under lockdown. Mumbai's Borivali West district is facing the highest rise in cases. 7 cases have been reported in Mhatre Palace, which is why the entire building has been sealed as per the BMC. Going by how fast cases are rising in Mumbai, there are fears that new restrictions may be announced this week. With Pooja Bharadwaj in Mumbai, Anusya Mathur for NDTV.